Hey, this is Whitney. I'm going to, in a short screencast, take you through how to set up the Meetaway chiclets or tiles on Okta. So what is Meetaway? Meetaway is a application for creating online networking events over video. And with Meetaway, we have two different types of users. We have organizers who are creating events, and we have attendees of those events. Now, the organizers would benefit from having a Meetaway chiclet on Okta versus attendees can use Okta completely in the background, not have to think about clicking from the Okta dashboard into Meetaway. And so my recommendation is to only give organizers the Meetaway chiclet on Okta, and attendees do not need that. They just need to be able to authenticate with the application that we're going to set up. So let's go ahead and set up the application. So I'm over here in my admin dashboard, and I'm going to go to applications here, and I'm going to go and create a Meetaway application. So Open Connect, single page app, and this will be Meetaway 3. And then I'm going to start to look at the instructions. Okay, because I need to make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, authorization code, yes. The redirect URL is this. We don't need that. We don't need this. You basically want to make everyone in the organization have access to this Meetaway integration because while organizers might be a small pool of folks within your organization, attendees can come from throughout the organization. So in order to silently sign in those attendees with Okta, basically they're going to need access to the app. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that. The next thing is you're going to need to send to me both the client ID here as well as the Okta domain. Once I've save those in, this will be ready to roll. All right, we're going to go and make a couple of updates so that we can seamlessly sign in those attendees. So under the general settings here, we're going to go to implicit, allow token access, yes. Here, we are going to go and add our URLs just for good practice. We're going to require it. All right, up to you though. Great. Login, set Okta or app, that's here. And then if you did want to give everyone in your organization access to the Meetaway chiclet on Okta, then you'd select these two options. But again, my recommendation is not to do that and only make it available to organizers. Okay, so the redirect is this, okay, and then initiate login. Great. All right, so we got our application saved. If you have further refinements to make to assignments, right, you have groups within Okta and all sorts of fancy stuff, you're going to go and assign the Meetaway app to those subgroups of your organization. Again, I'm not doing that, so I'm going to skip that, but those directional instructions are here. And then we're going to go set up cores. So security API, API. Trusted origins, and then we're going to go add an origin. This will be Meetaway 3, and the trusted origin is going to be this. I don't know if it's going to let me set this up in duplicate, but we'll try. Okay, it's already in use. Okay, but that's how to do it. There it is. Great. All right, so with that, there is a application. And I'm just going to go and actually delete it because I don't want to have more than one. delete that. Okay, so we have Meetaway here. All right, so how do we finish setting this up? So once I've saved the client ID and the domain, um, folks will be able to sign in with Okta, but let's take this one step further and help those organizers with a one-click button. So what exactly is this? All right, so under Add Apps, if you were to search Meetaway, you'll find it doesn't exist. Instead, what you do is you click bookmark, and we'll have Meetaway 2. That's the app name. Okay, and again. Okay, so the app URL here is going to be your domain. What exactly is that? Okay, so I happen to have this as my domain. There we go. All right, and then the app name, we'll give it a new name. This will be to add bookmark. And if I go back here, I can see that bookmark there. And that's it. So now if I click to Meetaway, it signs me in. That's it. The attendees of events, again, will get direct links to the events. So this is just what the organizers of an event see. They go and want to register for an event. So they'll get the opportunity to register, and the system already knows, hey, this person should sign in with Okta, and we'll be able to do that without needing to click through from the Okta dashboard to the events that are all set up. It's just an easier way because Okta doesn't have a way that we can constantly dynamically change the URLs that the attendees need to be on. So that's the reason to give only the organizers access to the chiclet and to let our system handle the links to attendees.